Hey guys, so the sun is already set. I did a quick little picture for you guys. It's just so pretty. So we're just chilling out here. But I wanted to let you guys know that whatever it is that you're going through, no matter how real it may seem, in your mind, the biggest way for me to kind of fight either like depression, a negative thought, or just a thought that you're maybe being anxious about is to take a breath, inhale, find that space between the inhale and the exhale. Just kind of hold it at the top, hold it at the bottom. Just do a couple beautiful, energetic breaths like that. I would say just a couple. I want to give you guys this beautiful ocean vibe chatting. And then after you do that, then what I want you guys to think about is just go for a walk, get some food. When was the last time you had some protein? And then new fresh thought will kind of come in your mind. Sometimes when we're mulling over things, we're just kind of in our human brain, I don't know how to say that, and we're not accessing the universe, we're not accessing God, we're not accessing prayer, we're not accessing that deeper space of knowledge. So try to connect into that if you can. How do you do that? You do that by breathing. How do you do that? Go for a walk, go do some exercise, do some yoga postures, go do some lunges, listen to some music. Don't listen to music, keep your mind nice and quiet. Just do those things that kind of create new fresh thought, and then your situation will not seem as great. But you've got to interrupt that thought process. You've got to move physically, get yourself out of your environment. So if you're inside, go outside. If you're outside, maybe go for a drive in your car. Do you know what I mean? Just switch it up. Anyway, I hope that little tip helps you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to stand in your light, to stand in your truth, and always be a warrior. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.